Your van isn't just a vehicle, it's your freedom. Out here, capability matters. At Line Overland, we specialize in transforming vans into machines built for work, adventure, and real life. We build our vans for those who expect more control, confidence, and more range.
Whether you're chasing off-grid adventures or just need a van that works as hard as you do, our team of experts will walk you through the process every step of the way, offering products that you actually need that make all the difference while overlanding. Built tough enough for remote destinations and refined for everyday life.
Visit mainlineoverland.com or give us a call at 844-656-7626. Engineered for what's beyond.